Put it kind of close to him, Spencer, so he can kind of see it. A little bit closer, just a little bit. He won't get it.
Can I let touch it just for a little bit?
Yeah, he won't hurt it. There's no way he can hurt it.
You can just turn the lights on.
Yeah, show him how to push the button.
You have to push it with your pinky.
Can you push it with your pinky?
Not with him grabbing on it.
No.
I can show you. It's off. You have to turn it on. No! You have to turn it on. No. How about he does this?
Gentle with him, honey. Can you say something?